Hello, this is Shivat from BizSmashers, and I'm a meta marketing specialist here. So, if you're a roofer or a construction business owner or home solution owner, this video is especially for you. Or if you're trying to getting clients through Facebook ads and you are draining a lot of money of yours and getting no results, or you are getting leads or you're spending thousands of dollars and getting per leads $150 or $200, it's been so much awkward. Like, so today I'm going to show you how you gain your Facebook ads and getting a bunch of leads, a bonus of leads and qualified leads in 2026. What should be the best strategy for you and how you work for it. So no more talk here, let's dive into the screen. Okay, I hope you can see the screen. In the before 2020 and 2020 and 2023, people are used to run like this kind of picture ads or page like ads, and you can see they just use a normal image here or like normal posters, which is not working in 2025 basically. I collect this from Facebook ads library. Facebook ads library, like a public library. You can go there and you can directly see what people do. If I show you in the Facebook ads library, so you can get clear this more beautifully. So I chose the city of United States and add category the all ads. And if I say here roofer, you can see the results in 2025. A bunch of people doing the same wrong that I think might you also do this. You can see, wait, let me check like this. They use just a simple banner like with a normal text. This is not working in 2025. All right, let's again scroll down. Millions of dollars spending in 2020 and also 2023 on the old strategy is get leads for as cheap as possible by running simple image ads. What people or marketers or agencies do is in 2023, just posting ads or post a post and boost this ad through $10 or $20, blah blah blah. Whatever they did in the 2023, this is too much backdated, as you know. So they used to have leads in $10. They get five, six, seven leads. Also, in back in 2023, those leads are qualified because in this time in 2023 the competition is too low. And if I show you from this ad library, you can also see in 2025 a bunch of people run like single image ads. It's really not working because it in 2024, if I show you, roofing and marketing companies picked it up and hyped the trend because Facebook ads is getting super hyped for roofing companies and also marketers and also agency owners outreaches like roofing companies and uh, offer them Facebook ad service, and it's getting too much hyped and the competition is too high between 2024 and 2025. So everyone's starting the same ads and they don't get it anymore. Like I sent you Facebook ads library, like a public ads library. You can see what people do, what people run, what kind of image they use, and a bunch of marketers. What they did, they just copy and paste them, or they download the images or the carousels and they use into their Facebook ads. And in order to keep them working, people need to add more unique and offer. But there is still way to make it work, and it starts getting more and more effective like in the prime time of Facebook. So in 2025, what's really working? Even more marketing agencies and roofing companies trying to run ads on Facebook. So what they do, everyone is copying each other. People run cheap ads and focusing on pricing and giving unrealistic price and expectation just to get some leads. So high lead cost because of high competition. And homeowners are beating hit by 100 plus roofing ads a day and hard to close them. And big companies spending billions of Facebook. So what's the bottom line here? Market is saturated, lead costs are high, and homeowners are being harassed with ads. and what you need to do if you are a roofer in 2025. So I'm going to share with you. Just let me show. You can see the poor homeowners what they do, like this kind of ads who submit their detail for purchase their service. Like you can see the just before and after image or limited time offer. So if I say that truly, if I was a homeowner, I don't even look at this kind of ads. And you can see what they write on a whiteboard, and they just write low cost roof. These kind of ads are getting low quality leads and unqualified leads. So so, what wealthy homeowners looking for? Wealthy homeowners looking for quality, and also wealthy homeowners easy to close, and wealthy homeowners only talk to a few select companies, and high profit job and snowball effect, strong referral network. So, what you need to do for a quality full video in 2025, you need a video quality, you need a strong hook, you need a right clear offer, and you need to build your brand strongly, right? So if I show you, like, wait just a minute, you can get also again ad library, and you can see these ads, quality full ad like this. You get clear what I'm trying to say. This kind of offer and this kind of video and this kind of quality work in 2026. Because after the Meta Andromeda update, Facebook AI is too much mature, and they know what's the quality of content, what's the language of the content, and what's the content trying to say, and they identify the real audience, and they identify the real customers through your content, because content is king in the meta ads in 2025 or starting at the 2026. There's no targeting, no detailed targeting, and no demographics. Your content should say your business detail, your content should say your offer. So you need to make your content like this. Okay, so after the content, what you need, let's dive into the again. Wait. Okay, you need a clear landing page, and when up people see your content, and if your content quality is good, and where they go, they click on contact us or learn more button, and after, if they dive into your landing page or your website and is this not good, they will get back and skip it and fuck it seriously. In 2026, your content matter, your landing page matter for getting the qualified leads. If I show you an example how your lead is getting filtered, and after audience your content and how they dive into your website. If I show you one of our client website we built for them, this is like you can see roofer grow, and they have a very good headline, have a consistent flow of roofing appointments for your business. And when I scroll down, you can see here is a almost a serious call to action, schedule a free strategy call, and here we included a call number also client reviews. So when your customer in your website, they see the strong call to action, they click on here and they go for strategy consultation call. And again scroll down, they when they get excited for knowing about your business, they wanted to know what you offer, basically what your customer reviews, and they scroll down. And here we included a very good customer review, like Gilbert Flynn. I have been doing a lot of marketing since meeting this great company. It's been awesome for me. I'm paying about $5 to $6 a lead and close 3 to 4 deals already. I'm really happy and recommend everybody that is in the same business as I'm trying to it out. They're going to be awesome to you guys. So when you have a good quality of content, when you have a good quality of landing page, so people attract to you and people attract to your offer, people attract to your service, and they dive into your website and they must get interested. And how you should qualify your leads: when your content is done, you must have a branding content, and they go in your website and they know about your business. After scrolling your website, they must definitely have a good impression of your business. Oh yeah, he is a very good service provider. I think this roofer for me. I think this roofer perfect for me. Her pricing is high, but his quality is very good. He provide the best roofing in Texas or California or New York, whatever. Blah blah blah. This is not better. So this is the first step of qualifying leads, and the second step is how you qualify leads in the next stage. Your again, your content is your king, and you use your instant form in your ad. In the first ad, you use your landing page. In the second ad, you must should be instant prompt. So you ask a variable questions about your business, or like frequent asking questions, or what kind of informations you want from your customers. You put 8 or 10 questions in your instant prompt. So who are really interested to buy your business, or who are really thinking about to change their roof, or who are really looking for roofers in Texas or California or New York, in which city they are living. So they must be fill your questions, and the second stage of qualifying the leads. And when your content is good, when your landing page is good, you don't need to spend like $1,000 or 1,000 grands in ads. If you spend $50 to $100 a day per day, or you are spending $30 to $40 per day, and if your content is good, your offer is good, you're getting start getting leads in $3, $4, $5, or it based, it depends on your service value. Like if your roofs offer $9,000 replacing roofs, or if your company offers like $7,000 replacing roofs. If it costs $10, $15 per lead, and if they're qualified, this is perfectly okay, I say. Okay. Then again, jump into the website, scroll down. You must should be scroll and scroll. Yeah, this kind of strategy must you should use, and I will share with you more and more details how it works basically. So till then, see you again, have a great day, and if you want to know more about roofing, so don't forget to subscribe the BizSmashers and stay tuned with us. If you have any questions, I will put my email and WhatsApp below. So this is Shipat signing out today from BizSmashers. Have a great day.